so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah, going out, going out.
Podcast title for today is Hamlet. RI Academy Podcast, one student, one creativity. Hello, Literature Review. Welcome back to RI Academy Podcast, one student, one creativity. The podcast where we chat about legendary literature words in a relaxed way. I am Rahma, and today we have a special guest who will accompany us in exploring one of the most iconic dramas of all time. We have Mita Sirimorang, an elementary school principal and also a master student at Sriwijaya University who definitely knows a lot about Shakespeare. Hello, Mita Simorang.
Hello, Rahma. I'm so happy to be chatting here. And hello to all the loyal listener of RI Academic Podcast, One Student, One Creativity.
Great. So, Mita Simorang, who else would we talk about but Prince Hamlet of Denmark? This drama seems to have become a staple in the literary world, right? But often people only remember to be or not to be, or the dual skin. According to Mita Simorang, what makes Hamlet too special that it's still being discussed?
Wow, that is a great question to start with. In my opinion, Hamlet is special because he is not a superhero who acts immediately. He retables, he dobs, he instincts, he thinks hard. Just imagine you have just lost your father, then your mother reminds your uncle who seemed suspicious, then suddenly your father ghost appears asking for revenge. Who wouldn't be confused?
You are right. RI Academy Podcast, one student, one creativity. Who will don't be confused? So Hamlet is like a representation of our daily inner struggles, right? It's not just about repentance, but more about the moral dilemma.
Exactly. The to be or not to be monologue isn't just about suicide. It is about the existential struggle between wanting to continue living, facing suffering, or ending it all. Shakespeare is genius for being able to write dialogue with so many layers of meaning.
Wow, is the to be or not to be is the sentence, great sentence. Now, talking about Hamlet pretending to be crazy. Is he really crazy or just acting? Because sometimes his behavior is scary, but sometimes he seems very intelligent.
RI Academic Podcast, One Student, One Creativity. Well, this is classic debate among Shakespeare experts. Some say it's just a strategy act to gather evidence and make Claudius careless. But there are also those who believe that his inner pressure really pushed him to bring out madness. Maybe Shakespeare deliberately made it ambiguous so that we as viewers and readers would think of for ourselves. That's what makes the character rich and not boring.
Oh, so we're invited to think too, huh? Cool. Then what about the character Ophelia? She seems to be a victim in this drama.
Ophelia is one of the most tragic characters in my opinion. She is trapped in the middle of the conflict between Hamlet, her father's Polonius, and her uncle Claudius. Her sincere love for Hamlet becomes completed because of the circumstance. Her death is really heartbreaking. It seems to be peak of sadness in the drama.
Yeah, very sad. Then Claudius is the main antagonist, right? But he also seems like a king trying to maintain his power, not just purely appeal.
That's right. Claudius is an interesting antagonist. He's cunning, ambitious, but he also has moments where he seems grateful of afraid of his sins. He's not depicted as a deflate plain. This is what makes his drama more complex.
RI Academy podcast one student, one creativity. Okay, so the point is that Hamlet is not just an ordinary revenge story, but more of an exploration of human nature, right? The morality and the impact of our decisions.
RI Academic Podcast, One Student, One Creativity. Yes, that's absolutely right. Hamlet is a like mirror for us. We can see ourselves in Hamlet's doubts, in his moral dilemmas, in struggle to find the truth. That is why even though it's written hundreds of years ago, the mistake still resonates today.
Wow, the decision today was really cool, Mita Simorang. It makes me want to reread or watch Hamlet again for listeners at home. If you never read or watch Hamlet, you really should.
Agree, you won't regret it.
Our I Academy podcast, one student, one creativity. Uh, okay, then it seems like our time is almost up. Thank you so much, Mita Simorang, for having a fun chat with us on RI Academy podcast. One student, one creativity.
Well, welcome, Rahma. Thank you so much for inviting me too.
Now, for those of you who have been listening, don't forget to follow Sastra in RI Academy podcast one student, one creativity. So you don't miss the next episode. See you in the next literary chat. See
Okay,
you.
see you.
Udah minta ya?
Dah.
Ya. And ya. Thank you
Okay, cut
Mita.
bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Okay.